What is this? Oh, it's an intersection. I didn't see that it was an intersection.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Ride the Bean. Today I am going to Firenze, Florence, Italy, where I'm gonna spend a couple of days just getting to know the city, basically, and tasting some coffee. I just woke up in the middle of, I don't know, the forests somewhere, about 2 hours away from Florence, and yeah, let's just get on the road. It's been a really cold and wet night. If you see around me, it's like very foggy. It was raining all night. It stopped like an hour ago. Everything is wet. I hate that.
So, I was thinking I would do a little bit of a tour of Firenze once I get there, because it's now 9 o'clock in the morning, and my check-in is at 3 o'clock at the hostel that I booked. So I have some hours to just fool around. So maybe a little motorcycle tour of Firenze would be interesting. I don't really know any history of Firenze, but I know it's a really, really beautiful city with lots of famous monuments. And what I remember from last time when I was there is that if you've played Assassin's Creed, the game, it's basically the same layout as the city. So it feels very familiar when you're there. The city looks basically exactly like it does in the game. Oh, it's very slippery on the roads. I love these mornings though, like with the mist and the trees in the forest. It is beautiful. Wow. Gorgeous there. Oh, look at all the deer. Oh, what? they're just wooden figures. Oh, I thought it was a bunch of animals. Now the fog is getting thicker. Can't really see too much. I'm using the GPS to see where the road goes. Wow! Look at this thick fog. It is beautiful when it's like this. So eerie. This reminds me of the Alps. Couldn't see more than 50 meters ahead of me. fog started to clear. Huh. So strange. Oh, here it's thicker again. So strange. It's like a wall, almost, of fog. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's an intersection. I didn't see that it was an intersection. Oh. Suddenly a car comes out of the fog. What, at 1,000 meters of elevation now? That's probably why it's so foggy. When they get further down, the fog clears up. Now the fog lifted. I came down below 800 meters, and now the rain started, of course. Why does the camera keep dying? I hope it's not going to rain like this for too long. It's no fun walking around a city in the rain. Now, the descent has begun. Descending rapidly. Those cars are so strange. Little Fiat Panda. Oh, now the rain really started. It's pouring down. I should probably stop and put on my rain suit, but I'm only an hour away from Firenze. This is miserable, and I need a gas station. But the last 4 gas stations I've found have not been gas stations at all. It says on the map that there's a gas station, but there is none. It's just like a random building. Now I'm getting a little bit worried that I'm gonna run out of gas too. I think I have to stop and put on my rain suit now. This is just ridiculous. Oh. 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 Alright, let's go. For some reason, my balls are wet. Neither the clim suit nor the rain suit is waterproof in the groin, it seems. Every time it rains, I get wet in the groin. Wow. Look at this view though. Now we're coming down from the mountain. Toscana is a really beautiful place. Probably a lot more beautiful in the sun than in the rain, but I guess it has to rain here too. I know I was thinking of doing a bit of a tour of Firenze, but in this weather I'm not sure that's so much fun. Wow, here we have Firenze from above. So, welcome to Firenze. And now, this is where I'm going to stay, I think, in this building. Where's the entrance to it? This is the hostel. Yeah, that looks decent. Now let's just get checked in, I guess. Oh, all checked in. Now I gotta park. And lucky for me, parking for motorcycles in the garage is free. Well, let's see. We find a space here. This seems like a good place. Yeah. I don't think I'm in the way of anything. Oh. Now, let's unload. Everyone is laughing at me when they see my luggage. Maybe it's time to get rid of some things.